Hi, everyone. My name is Chad Jenkins. I'm the VP of the Biosolutions sales team here at Thomas Scientific. Thanks for joining us for another installment on how we can improve your lab's workflow efficiency. And this time, we're going to take a look at how you can optimize sample collection. Before we get started, just want to give you a little bit about me. I have been in the industry for 30 years, helping laboratories streamline processes and find ways to do testing better, faster, and cheaper. And today I'm here to talk to you about the wide portfolio of products that we have to help you and your laboratory. So today we're talking about best-in-class sample collection. We have a wide array of sample collection products here at Thomas Scientific, from alcohol pads, bandages, biohazard bags, blood collection products, gauze, lancet, molecular transport media, viral transport media, saline, saliva collection, sharps containers. Essentially, any sample that you want to collect, we have a product to help you and your laboratory. First, let's begin to talk about swabs. First, we have a wide array of swabs, swab material, depending on what your application is. Let's begin with oral sample collection. We have flock swabs and foam swabs without a break in the swab so that you can fit it easily into sample collection containers, whether it's a large container, a smaller container, or a 10 ml transport tube. Ideally, if you're going to be doing nasopharyngeal swabs in an 80 millimeter or greater tube, we would recommend a breakpoint swab at 80 millimeters. So you would insert, break, and the swab remains in the tube. If you want to go to a shorter tube, a 5 mil, or a 5 mil cryovial, or a 4 mil, or a 2 mil, we have a wide array of different vials and tubes that you can collect in. We would recommend a swab with a 30 millimeter breakpoint. So you can see it breaks nice and easily at 30 millimeters to be able to fit into smaller tubes. In addition, we can use automated sample collection devices. So you can see here, these are 1 mil tubes that we can collect with a 30 millimeter breakpoint, or you could use a neck swab, which does fantastic oral collection, works beautifully into our 96 vial sample collection containers for automated high throughput sample processing. In addition to swab sample collection, we have a wide array of blood collection tubes as well. And as I mentioned, automated sample collection tubes. This allows for high throughput sample processing from small volume to very large volume applications. Let me show you more about our automated sample collection system. Using the all plastic neck swab, you can do your oral sample collection or your nasal and put it into our automated sample collection vial that is fully barcoded with a 1D and human readable on the side and the 2D barcode on the bottom. You would just put in your oral or nasal swab into your vial, and it's ready for automated 96 sample collection, accessioning, and processing. Now that we have reviewed sample collection vials and containers, let's talk about the transport media. We can support saline, viral transport media, ATM, NTM, UTM, ITM. We even have extraction-free molecular transport media to eliminate the extraction process in your testing workflow. We can provide you with empty containers for your own filling, or we can provide you with pre-filled vials and containers. Here's an example of a pre-filled vial containing a viral transport media. We can provide the saline in similar tubes or in automation tubes. We have a full range of options depending on your specific workflow. So as you can see, Thomas Scientific is able to offer exactly what you're looking for your specific testing needs. In addition to the transport media in vials, we can provide custom kit creation that's tailored to meet your specific lab needs. We can provide full kitting services. For example, a saliva collection kit with a funnel, a transport tube, transport media, and a biohazard bag with instructions depending on your kit requirements. In addition to saliva collection, we can provide swab collection kits with the swab, the transport tube, the transport media pre-filled into the transport tube, and the biohazard bag for a complete kit that meets your specific requirements. Here is an example of a pre-packaged swab, transport tube, and transport media in a sterile, individually wrapped product ready to go for your specific kit requirements. So as you can see, we have everything that you need for your specific diagnostic testing needs. We can help get you from swab, from saliva, from any sample source directly to real-time PCR detection in 96, in 384, even individual tubes if that's what your kit requirements are. We have the entire portfolio to meet your diagnostic testing needs. Let us customize a solution for you. Thomas Scientific can help with your entire workflow. Get a free sample collection discovery session by going to our website, thomassci.com collection session. We look forward to working with you and being of service. Thank you for your time and have a great day. Be safe.